Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Just a heads up, this video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today we're diving into Roofstock, a platform designed for investing in single-family rental properties. You can find them at www.roofstock.com. Roofstock offers a marketplace of vetted properties, making it easier for investors to find and purchase rentals. They aim to simplify the often complex process of remote real estate investment. They provide a range of tools and resources, from property analysis and valuation to financing options and property management services. One of their key selling points is the ability to buy properties that are already tenanted, meaning you can start generating rental income from day one. This can be particularly attractive to investors looking for passive income streams. They also offer a feature called Roofstock One, which allows investors to buy shares of single-family rentals, offering a lower barrier to entry for those just starting out in real estate investing. Roofstock's platform boasts a user-friendly interface, providing detailed information on each property listing, including financial performance metrics, inspection reports, and neighborhood data. They strive to provide transparency and help investors make informed decisions. The platform also facilitates the closing process, aiming to make it as smooth and efficient as possible. They offer a range of educational resources and support to help investors navigate the process. While Roofstock offers many advantages, it's important to conduct your own due diligence and research before making any investment decisions. Consider factors such as market conditions, property management fees, and potential risks. Like any investment, real estate carries inherent risks, and Roofstock is no exception. It's essential to carefully evaluate each opportunity and ensure it aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Be sure to explore their website at www.roofstock.com to get a comprehensive understanding of their services and offerings. They regularly update their inventory, so it's worth checking back frequently to see new properties available. They also have a blog and other resources that provide valuable insights into the real estate market. Remember, investing in real estate can be a rewarding endeavor, but it's crucial to do your homework and make informed decisions. Roofstock provides a platform that simplifies the process, but it's still important to take your time and thoroughly evaluate every opportunity. They've built a strong reputation in the industry, but always remember that your individual investment success depends on your own research and decision-making.